Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get the monocolor suit pants in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. So this is one of the simple school style set items in Heartopia. And to complete the set, you need to find this monocolor suit pant. Okay, let me show you. Okay, this is the monocolor suit pants, and if you want to find this item, you need to find a golden bubble. And I'm going to show you where you can exactly find the golden bubble to unlock the monocolor suit pants. So the bubble is here, guys. It's on the Amethyst Beach. Okay, you can go to this area. This is the area where you can find the bubble, the golden bubble, I mean. Okay, and I'm just going to use my car as usual to climb the umbrella. Okay, like this. It's not that hard. Okay, and I've just popped the bubble and unlocked the monocolor suit pants. Okay guys, and that's how you can unlock the monocolor suit pants in Heartopia game to complete the simple school style set. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!